Another day, another broken ass Evo. What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. The boys have been wanting to know where Jared's been. Today we're gonna explain where Jared's been. You wanna explain what's up with you whipping the new blue? Is that because Subies are just better?
You know, gas prices are up.
I feel it.
Good gas mileage.
Jared likes to break cars. So today we're gonna bring his Evo to the shop and I'll show you guys what he broke today. Well, he actually broke it like a few months ago. But I haven't had time to fix it until now. So let's get this thing loaded up on the trailer. We got the truck and trailer out here. And yeah, let's get this old girl loaded up, bring her to the shop and see what's going on. This mother freaking car, dude. Let's go ahead and throw in a clip right here of the night Jared blew this thing up. Hi. Just, I don't need to talk. I'm not even gonna talk. I'll just show. Oh God, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Someone done dropped the valve. You dropped your valve.
Sick.
It's just one cylinder though. So yeah, you need a new motor.
Can you see it from the camera?
She's tatered.
Should I stop this clip?
Take a gander down in there and see how much bullshit I see. Oh, Lord almighty. Something smacked that fucking plug to do that. Alright, turn her over. One second, let me unplug your injector.
Spraying fuel?
Fuel on the facing people. Okay, that. Oh my God, dude. I thought I was looking at your pistol the whole time. Bro, it's the fucking valve I'm looking at just floating around in there. Oh my God, dude.
There's no way you could see that.
No, there's no way. Bro, I literally just see the head of your valve just floating around. Now that you're done watching that clip, here's where we're at. So, we built this entire engine, right? Drew's titties. Bottom end, easily 1,000 mule capable, had everything done. Yeah, it was a very, very built motor. Jared went ahead and put a few thousand miles on the car, got the car strapped down on the dyno. It made like 540 wheel or something, 535, low 500s wheel on E85. He got the car off the dyno, drove it for like 2 or 3 days, and he was bringing some kid for a ride. The car has no fuel in it. and it leaned out and dropped a valve. And it leaned out because there's no fuel in the car. So now we have an Evo 10 that's been sitting for a few months because I've been busy with other projects with a drop valve. And I'm guessing the only thing good on this engine, entire engine, is probably the crank. The block is most likely hammered. Maybe a few rods are good. Maybe a few pistons, I'm not really sure. There's gonna be a lot of carnage in this engine. Probably the worst we've ever seen and that you guys have ever seen on the channel. So the goal tonight is to get the whole entire engine out. It is currently 6 p.m. I wanna do something a little bit fun today. I wanna see how fast we can pull an entire drivetrain out of the car because the transmission needs work as well. So we're going to be doing engine and trans work on the car. We might as well pull the whole drivetrain back out of the car like we just had it not that long ago. If I had to give you guys a little piece of advice or a rule of thumb to go off of, I would say stay over half tank of fuel. Like bare minimum, like if you're gonna do pulls, bare minimum, let's say a quarter tank, but even that is pushing it. So half tank of fuel if you're gonna do pulls, because all the fuel goes to the back of the tank and then sucks the hanger dry and it leans out. And then you end up with a dropped valve. And if you don't have a Devin Niemela in your life, that's like a $10,000 issue, okay? So don't fucking drop a valve in your engine. Let's get the car on the lift real quick. I wish I had the spark plug here. Well, you guys already saw it in that clip earlier from what happened. Yeah, fun. I'm so sick of this damn car. So like I said, I want to make this fun because I am getting kind of sick of working on this thing. So let's do a quick little walk around. Show you guys I ain't capping, I ain't fronting when I say this thing's still complete, minus the front bumper, because the bumper started ripping off when we were putting it on the trailer, as you guys saw. So here's the engine bay. Okay, fully complete. It's still full of fluids. Everything, literally everything is still on the car. So we got to see how fast we are with pulling an entire drivetrain out of an Evo 10. I don't know if I'm ready for this. It is currently 6:11 p.m. on June 21st. If we can get it out by 8:11 p.m. on June 21st, so 2 hours, I'll be pretty happy. Let's run it.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a I ain't come to argue, let a please, baby. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she. Laying game like 2D. I been kicking like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip. Black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead. No, I'm dead, right? Leave it early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press a with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We've been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not with poverty, really it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property, they come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion. Dope blowing with the left hand, gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport, I'ma hit you back when my flight land. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
All right, guys, just under 2 hours, about an hour, 50 minutes to go from a should be running car, a running complete car, to drivetrain chilling on the ground. It was pretty simple, fairly straightforward. Engine, transfer subframe, all that stuff came out with the whole thing. And that's how the engine bay now looks. I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but when I drained the oil, when I pulled the drain plug, half of it was coolant. So I'm very, very curious to tear this thing apart tomorrow and see what's going on with it. I'm going to go ahead, pull the filter off right now, the oil filter, and cut it open, see if there's any sort of metal shavings in there, metal chunks. We need to figure out what we're doing with the turbo because it's a brand new AGT 55 mil. And if we need to send it in to get rebuilt, I want to get that sent out first thing tomorrow morning. So if there's a ton of metal in the filter, there's going to be a ton of metal in turbo. But if the filter's clean, hopefully the turbo technically should be clean as well. Literally all coolant. All right, cutting open the coolant filter here. There's literally no oil in this damn thing, but it's also very clean with no metal. As I'm editing this, I realized that I was very, very tired last night. I never checked the exhaust wheel on the turbo, which is what I need to do this morning, the next day. So yeah, just because there's no oil or just because there's no metal shavings in the oil, that doesn't mean the valve didn't go through the damn turbo. So we got to check that out as well. I'm gonna go ahead and say the turbo's probably fine. Of course, a little bit of coolant went through it, but that is not going to completely hurt it. In my opinion, I'm gonna talk to AGT, the company that built the turbo, and just confirm with them, make sure they feel the same way. But yeah, oh man, boys, don't do full on pulls with the empty tank of fuel. It's not fun. I'm so curious to tear this thing apart, like I said, which we should be able to get it completely gutted down tomorrow, figure out what exactly is all effed up in it. Now this may be the shortest video you guys have ever seen on my channel. I apologize. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.